big germ.
Hello guys, it's Exision here and welcome to another top 3 unboxing of the week. So for the first spot we got Transformer S5 and he's unboxing a Falltion knight with an awesome reaction. He thinks he's getting trolled but he's not. Check this out. Please.
Fuck! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! No fucking way!
So for the second spot we got Enro with an awesome unbox. First he unboxes up Hyper Beast and after that he actually unboxes something amazing and he has a nice reaction to it. So you guys enjoy.
Oh my god.
Dude, I told you, man.
Oh my god.
Reaction 3. That's my
Coma
call.
2 case 3, okay. I already made back half my money, dude. Oh my god. Oh, I got a knife! Oh my god! I got a Bayonetta Doppler Sapphire! Rubik's! This is worth $1,000!
No, you're lying.
I swear to god!
I don't know.
So for the last spot we got Take Over PvP Forever and he's going to stack their Bayonet Ruby and it's completely amazing before the game, so beware headphone users.
You guys are smurfs.
I got it! I got one! Let's go! 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 Oh.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you have any suggestions for the next unboxing, please tell me in the comments below, and thanks for watching.